Imagine publishing a complete Kindle, book, and even an audiobook in less than 60 seconds without writing a single word. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new AI tool called ClawBook AI that claims to exactly that. And I'll also give you some exclusive bonuses if you decide to grab it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I review the latest AI tools that help you make money online. And today, we're diving into ClawBook AI, fully autonomous publishing AI agent that can create, format, and publish books on Amazon for you. Completely hands-free problem. Relatable pain. Now, let's be honest, publishing sounds easy, but in reality, it's a headache. You have to find a profitable niche, write thousands of words design, a cover format, everything, and then upload it properly. And even after all that, most people barely make any sales. Solution: introduce ClawBook AI. But what if you could skip all of that? That's where ClawBook AI comes in. This is not just another AI writing tool. It's a fully autonomous AI agent that literally replaces your entire publishing workflow. You just enter an idea, press a button, and the AI researches the niche, writes the book designs, the cover creates, audiobook narration, formats, everything, and even publishes it on Amazon. How? It works step by step. Let me quickly show you how it works. Step 1. Enter your book idea or keyword. Step 2. Click on Create. Step 3. Sit back and watch the AI do everything within seconds. You'll have a complete book ready to publish, and yes, it even publishes on Kindle and Audible at the same time. Key features: here are some powerful features of ClawBook AI. 100%. Autonomous AI agent, no prompts needed, creates ebooks plus audiobooks together. AI voice narration in 80+ languages, finds profitable niches, automatically generates hike publishing to Amazon, no monthly fees, pay once, use forever. Basically, it's like having a full publishing team working for you 24/7. Income angle, make money section. And the best part, you can tap into Amazon's massive audience of over 300 million buyers, meaning you don't need a website, ads, or even an audience. Just publish more books and build multiple income streams from royalties. Pricing and funnel. Now, let's talk about pricing. Right now, ClawBook AI is available for a low one-time price of just $17, which is honestly a no-brainer for a tool like this. And here's the best part. You can get an extra 30% off discount by using the coupon code ELB30, ELB30. Make sure you grab this deal while it's still available. There may also be a few optional upgrades in the funnel, but even the front-end version is powerful enough to get started and publish your first books. Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to ClawBook down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. You can see my bonus page on screen now. These bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with ClawBook. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is ChatGPT book writing prompts. Pack jet access to powerful ChatGPT prompts that help you write, complete books faster and with better quality. No more thinking what to write, just copy, paste, and create high-value content in minutes. Bonus number 2. ChatGPT book writing prompts. Pack. This prompt pack makes your book writing process super and automated. Just use these proven prompts and turn any idea into a full book without any writing struggle. Bonus number 3. Canva book cover templates pack. You'll also get ready-to-use Canva book cover templates to create eye-catching professional covers instantly. No design skills needed, just edit and publish. Bonus number 4. Free AI tools. Megalist 2026 updated. I'm also giving you a massive list of the best free AI tools for content creation, design, and marketing. So you can build your entire online system without spending extra money. Bonus number 5. KDP, SEO, and Keyword Research Guide. And this powerful KDP SEO guide will help you rank your books on Amazon and get more visibility. Because better ranking means more clicks, and more clicks means more sales. These bonuses are designed to help you not just create books, but actually rank, sell, and profit faster. Now let's see the demo video.
What if I told you that in the next 47 seconds, an AI could research a profitable niche, write a complete 10,000-word book, design a professional cover, and publish it live on Amazon? While you do absolutely nothing, you'd probably think I'm lying, but watch this. That book you just watched being created, it's already live on Amazon in front of 310 million buyers, and it took 47 seconds. Look, you've heard about Amazon KDP. You know people are making $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 per month publishing books on Amazon. But here's what they don't tell you. You spend weeks researching niches, only to find 10,000 competitors already there. You pay a ghostwriter $1,500 for garbage content. You waste days formatting. You hire a designer for $500. And after all that, your book gets rejected for one tiny mistake. And you want to scream. That's $2,000 and 60 hours for one book. Meanwhile, top earners are publishing 20 to 30 books per month. How? They found a way to eliminate the process entirely. In 2024, something changed. A new technology emerged called agentic AI, not AI assistants, not AI tools that help you. Fully autonomous AI agents that execute entire workflows without you. Google's CEO called it the most significant leap in artificial intelligence history. Microsoft invested $13 billion to develop it, and now, for the first time ever, this technology has been packaged into a complete Amazon publishing system. Meet ClawBook, the world's first fully autonomous AI agent that doesn't assist you with publishing. It replaces you. Here's how it works. You open ClawBook. You see one button, you press it. That's it. No typing, no prompts, no decisions. Watch what happens next. In 8 seconds, the AI scans Amazon's entire database, analyzing search trends, competition levels, and buyer behavior. It finds a profitable niche most authors will never discover. In 12 seconds, it writes a complete, engaging 10,000-word manuscript. Not an outline, not bullet points. A full book. In 6 seconds, it designs a professional cover that looks like $500. In 4 seconds, it formats everything perfectly for Kindle, paperback, and audiobook. And in 17 seconds, it publishes directly to Amazon, live, visible to 310 million customers. Total time, 47 seconds. Your effort, pressing one button? Don't take my word for it. Meet Marcus. He was laid off in March, discovered ClawBook in April, published 47 books in 3 months. He's now making $3,847 per month in royalties without writing a single word. Jennifer used to pay $2,000 per book for writers, designers, and narrators. She's published 23 books, ClawBook, in 8 weeks, saved over $46,000. David's audiobook royalties went from $0 to $1,340 per month in 60 days. Same content, double the income streams. These aren't mock-ups. These are real books. Live on Amazon, making real money. Created by people who can't write, who aren't tech-savvy, who just pressed a button. Here's what makes ClawBook different from every other publishing tool. Other tools still make you do the work. You research, you write prompts, you format, you upload. ClawBook does all of it automatically. It creates Kindle books, paperbacks, and audiobooks simultaneously. One creation, 3 revenue streams. It includes AI voice narration in 80+ languages. Studio quality, 0 cost. It finds hidden profit niches in real time before your competitors do. And it publishes in any genre. Fiction, nonfiction, self-help, children's books, cookbooks, thrillers, romance. If Amazon sells it, ClawBook creates it. Now, a system like this that replaces a $2,000 publishing team and does the work of 30 ghostwriters should cost $997 minimum. But here's the thing. I don't need your money. I need your success story. I need you to publish 30 books in 30 days and prove to everyone this is real. So today, you're getting ClawBook for just $17. One time, no monthly fees, no subscriptions, publish unlimited books forever. Plus, you're getting $4,029 in bonuses, the 30 books in 30 days blueprint, Amazon KDP optimization checklist, 50 done-for-you book description templates, premium AI voice library, the Kindle Cash multiplier training, commercial license worth $1,997, and lifetime updates. Everything everything for $17. And you're protected by our 30-day triple guarantee. If ClawBook doesn't create a complete book in 60 seconds, if you publish 10 books and don't see at least one generating sales, or if you're unhappy for any reason, just email us. Full refund, no questions. But I need to be honest, due to server costs, we can only accept 500 new users. After that, the price jumps to $97 and we close enrollment. Right now, there are still spots available, but this window is closing fast. So here's what happens next. Click the button below, get instant access to ClawBook. Press one button and watch an AI build your publishing empire while you do literally nothing. 310 million Amazon customers are waiting. Your books just need to exist. Click below before access closes. Click now. Your publishing empire starts in 47 seconds.
Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.